Sanwanani guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are making pork rashers, sticky pork rashers. So this is the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So as you can see here, I was just patting it dry because I wanted it to dry. And then these are my ingredients: some mixed herbs, black pepper, this was salt, barbecue spice, and peri peri. And then lanaga was just putting it back on the plate, on the tray, so I can start spicing it up. Then started mixing up the spices: salt, mixed herbs, barbecue spice, peri peri, and then black pepper, forgot about that one. And then mixed, and then I started spicing it up, and then just spicing it up, and then uyiguqule uphinde uthele spicy futhi, yeah. Then started massaging it into the meat so that izozwakala kahle. Ngase ngakhohlwa spice esikhulu nawo wonke aromat. Added aromat, then lana moved to the pan. Bekade ngisebenzisa irama to fry it, so nga-add irama, then started adding my pork rashers in the pan. Then I added some garlic cloves. You guys know garlic butter, best flavor. Well, that's if your taste buds are elite as mine. But then ngayenza guqula kwaze kwavuthwa. So that was it. Thosa nje lo ayinto etheni guys lana. Thosa nje ngerama easy. Then lana ke bese sengenza the sticky sauce. So I used the same pan that ekade ngisebenzisa. Then I added butter. Then now that was sugar. Then I added tomato sauce, and then this was a peri peri sauce. And then I added another peri peri sauce as Buthelezi. Then I mixed all that up to make it to be a sticky hot sauce. All you gotta do is say yes. Then after letting it sizzle, and then I added back the pork rashers so that it's a flavor of that sticky hot sauce. So did this over and over again until it was ready. Then sengiqedile ngayo yonke into ngizame ukwenza lesa stadium ngemesh. Hayi ngahluleka angazi kuvele kwayini nje yenzalayo, but ke ngihlulekile, but ke kusalayo ngizamile ukuzama okubalekile. But ke added the mash, and then ngaqala ngabeka ngama pork rashers ami. Then ke ngasula iplate ngoba every time mawuphaka iplate liyasulwa khona nje lizoba lihle, kube ngathi nje uphake kahle everything. Every second, every minute. Again, this was the final product. You see the pork rashers, the mash, the cheesy hot sauce. Nje sekuhlangene yonke into. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You'll definitely see more cooking videos, and I'll put the recipe down below.